Hello everyone. What I have for you today is just it's a Dexter mortise cylinder. Got this cam on the back. There's our key and bitting. Works very smooth, but as you can tell, once we get it picked, we're gonna have to take it out of the vise to rotate that plug. Alright, yeah, because it'll only turn yay far in the vise. Suppose I could have taken that off, but I did not. Alright, let me get this here. Trying to make it so you can actually see what's going on instead of just looking at my hand. One thing I can say about this lock, it gives very little feedback. Even when you set a pin, it's hard to tell. Oh, there we go. Just so you can see it's picked. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is the Dexter mortise cylinder. Just got it in the mail today, so I figured I'd go ahead and get it on video before I turn that into a challenge lock. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. They go a long way. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good night.